Hello guys, welcome to School Blog, your best blog for school and educational updates. In this video you'll be learning how to check your JAMB admission status. Now let's quickly dive in. The first thing you do is to open your browser. In this video we'll be making use of the Google Chrome browser. Once your browser is opened, then you go to your search box and enter JAMB e-facility. Once the search result has loaded, then you go ahead and check the very first search result you are seeing on the page. Make sure that the link you are clicking is actually the correct link to the JAMB portal. The link is supposed to read efacility.jamb.gov.ng. Anything different from this will lead you to a wrong website. So once you've confirmed that the link is correct, then you click on it and allow the page to load. Once the page has loaded, this login page opens up and requests that you enter your JAMB email address and your JAMB password. So you simply go ahead and enter those details and then you log in. Once you've logged in, this page opens up. This is actually your candidate dashboard and it has the link that will lead you directly to quite a number of things that you can do on your JAMB portal. In this case, what you want to do is to check our admission status. So you simply go ahead and click on check admission status. As you can see, once you've clicked on that, this page opens up. As you can see, there are two different links here where you can actually check your admission status. There is the access my caps and there is the check admission status. As you can see, both of them will actually show you your admission status, but let's go ahead and click this first link, access my caps. Once you've clicked on access my caps, this page opens up. This is actually your caps. So on this page you can see the link to different things you can do: your profile, check your choice of institution, your O-level result. In this case, you click on regular admission status, since what we want to do is to check admission status. This page opens up and this is actually the page where you will find out if you've been offered admission or not. As you can see, for this candidate has been offered admission to study civil engineering technology. As you can see, the admission status is showing congratulations. Now let's go back to check the other option we saw the other time. Instead of clicking on access my caps, in this case we'll be clicking on check admission status. Once you've clicked on check admission status, then your admission status actually pops up right on your screen, just like you can see in this video. If you've not been offered admission, then it will also pop up on your screen that you've not been offered admission. Quickly, before we bring the tutorial video to a close, what's the difference between checking your admission status by clicking on access my caps and by clicking on check admission status? Well, both of them will actually show you your admission status, but when you click on access my caps, that takes you to your caps, which is your central admission processing system. And on that particular page, apart from checking your admission status, you also get to accept or reject your admission right on that page. Unlike the second option, when you just click on check admission status, that will simply show you whether you've been offered admission or not. So your admission status pops up and then you see that you've been offered admission. However, on this particular page, you can't really accept or reject your admission. So if you are seeking to accept or reject, then click on access my caps. But if you are seeking to just check whether you've been offered admission or not, then click on check admission status. So that's it guys, how to check your JAMB admission status. If you find this video helpful, kindly like the video and don't forget to share the link to your friends who would also love to see something like this. Most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell icon so that whenever we upload new videos, you will always be notified and you don't miss out. Thanks for watching and see you in subsequent videos.